Hyperpigmentation, melasma, and suntan, they look similar pero they are not the same. Hyperpigmentation happens when the skin produces extra pigment after irritation or injury. Ito yung dark marks after pimples, peeling, burns, or scratching. The cause is inflammation and the treatment focuses on calming the skin, gentle exfoliation, sunscreen, and ingredients like yung mga niacinamide, azelaic acid, or retinoids. Ang melasma naman, it is different. It is a chronic condition triggered by hormones, heat, sun exposure, stress, and even blue light. Common ito sa cheeks, forehead, nose, at upper lips. Melasma is deeper and harder to treat and it easily comes back. So management focus on strict sun protection, tinted sunscreen, brightening actives like yung mga tranexamic acid, and in-clinic treatments done slowly and carefully to avoid rebound darkening. Suntan naman is not an inflammation or hormonal. It is your skin's response to UV exposure. When UV hits the skin, your body produces pigment to protect you. Kaya ka umiitim. So a suntan can fade on its own, but repeated tanning leads to aging spots and higher risk of skin damage. So kahit lahat sila nagpapadilim ng balat, magkakaiba ang cause, magkakaiba ang trigger, at magkakaiba ang treatment. So hyperpigmentation from acne and irritation, melasma from hormones, heat, and light, and then yung suntan from UV exposure. Understanding the difference means better treatment and faster result.